Hello, today I have a great game for you to play to practice present simple verb tense. If you want to play this game, you can find a link to the game in the description for this video. Let me show you how it works. First, you want to choose the number of teams or players that you have. Today, I'm going with 2 teams, and I'll click Continue. Now, the first thing I can do is change our team names. Team 1 is going to change to the Royals. And at the bottom, I'm going to change Team 2 to the Chiefs. Let's get started. So we'll start with the Royals. And they're going to choose extremely difficult for 400. So I click on that box. And all we have to do is fill in the blank with the present simple. The man on the right have a wife. In this case, we're going to use has because it's the man. To check your answer, you just push the space bar, or you can click the button that says space bar. And here we can see I have the answer is has. You can also see there's links to 2 videos. So if you want to listen or watch a video with a description of why that's the right answer and a little bit of an explanation about the grammar, you just click these videos. You can either go to YouTube or to Facebook to watch the video. They're both the same video though, so just choose whichever one you prefer. One tip, if you want to do this and really get the most benefit, is when you click on one of these answers or questions, make sure that you say your answer out loud before you check your work. Don't just do the grammar in your head. Get the grammar out of your head by either speaking, or you could also write your answer as well. So for this one, we see why people usually in pictures, and I have the verb smile. I would say, why do people usually smile in pictures? That would be the correct answer, and I'll push the space bar to check. Yes, I got it right. And if I was wrong or I wasn't sure, I could just click this video and it'll provide some explanation. I hope you find this game useful and enjoyable. If you use it and you like it, please leave me a comment and let me know. Also, if you're a teacher, please try this with your class. And if it works for your class, send me a comment or have your students write me a comment. Have a great day.